about how they are going to bloom. They just open up, turn towards the light, and that makes them beautiful. Jim Carrey. Flowers are a gift to this earth. Before I start today's lesson, my advice is going to be for all my young subscribers. You are all flowers on this beautiful earth, and you make this earth very beautiful. So before I start, as always, a small piece of advice to my young subscribers. It is very important that you do not compare yourself with your friends. Never feel that they have some better crayons, or their dress is much more beautiful, or their eyes are more beautiful than yours. I have had students who have told me this. Don't do that. You are a flower and you beautify this earth. A rose can never be a sunflower, and a sunflower can never smell as beautiful as a jasmine. Each flower is beautiful and unique in their own way. Of course, a flower will bloom even if surrounded by weeds. Now, what are the weeds in your life? The weeds are the various advertisements and the pressure which you get from people around you on how you have to behave, on how you have to buy, on how to make yourself more beautiful. These are unwanted things which will come your way. But you should know how to overcome all this and focus on what you actually want. The weeds will just fade away. Namaste, I'm Kala and you're watching Kala Art Online. For all the viewers who are coming in for the first time to see my channel, do like, share and subscribe, and do click on that notification bell to get the latest updates about my upcoming videos. So why am I talking so much about flowers today? Because in today's class, we are going to make beautiful dandelions with just paint and a tissue roll. I hope you're all excited for today's class. Now, what are dandelions? Dandelions are among the most familiar plants on this earth. Only in the 20th century, the dandelions were considered as weeds. Before that, there was a lot of use with these dandelions. They were known to the ancient Egypt, Greeks and Romans, and have been used by the Chinese for traditional medicine. Now, dandelions in olden days, they were prescribed for all forms of ailment, right from warts to plague to baldness to any sores or fever or what do you call dandruff, anything. So there was a lot of medicinal value with the dandelions, and their leaves are like the lion tooth, sharp, and they actually fertilize the grass. They are fast growers and they're also long-lived. So I'm not getting into too much of detailing about the dandelions. I want you all to do your own research about this beautiful flower. So let's get started with our art activity. So the materials which we will require: a tissue roll, a brush, yellow paint and a straw. And of course, I have used a little 2-3 earbuds and also a little bit of cotton. So let's get started. So here I have a toilet roll, and now let me show you how we are going to cut it. Here, like this, we are going to cut the complete roll into thin lines like this. You see, we are going to cut it like this. Here I have already cut one, and you just are going to open it up here. So this is going to be used to make our flowers. Now the same thing, we'll take a straw also and we are going to cut. So let me show you how we are going to paint the flowers. Now on a plastic plate, I'll be applying some yellow color paint and then dabbing this into the paint to make beautiful dandelions. So once you are done, this is how your work is going to look. Now I have also made work like this, and I have used just plain white like this. Oops, this is upside down here. Now before I sign off, the quote for today: every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Gerard de Nerval. So you are all flowers. You're all unique in your own way. Love yourself. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, do consider subscribing, and for my other subscribers, thank you all. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and of course, click on that notification bell for my latest updates. Thank you once again.